From this to this, you can create in just one click. In this video, I am going to show you how you can edit your photo in just one click. It will be amazed to see the result of your photo. Let's open the photo. You can create this photo to this photo. I think you can see the difference. From this to this, you can create in just one click. Just one click. Let's do it. For doing this, we need an app. Let's go to the Play Store and download the app. This is the user interface. Select the photo and tap on Enhance. You have to watch an ad because this is the light version of this app. After the ad, you can see the before and after. Look at the face. Look at the face. If you want to create this manually, you need a lot of time and a hard skill to create this. But here, in just one click, you can create this kind of editing. And then save the editing. Tap the down arrow from the top right corner and you will find save. Again, you have to watch a video to save it. This is the result. You can see there is no watermark here. Let's open the photo. This is the photo. You can see no watermark here. You can use this photo directly. Friends, that was today's video. I hope this video was very helpful for you. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share this video to your friends who don't know how to edit their photos. Subscribe the channel to get more this kind of videos regularly. Thanks for watching.